Hi guys, thanks for trying something new today. So we're working on trying to build some math fluency, right? We want to get better at multiplying and dividing. We've talked about that all year. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this website. So it's called MathFactsPro.com. So what you need to do in the top corner is you're going to hit on the red little three lines and you're going to click for student login. If you see student login somewhere else, you can click on that also. Okay, but this is how it shows up on my screen. So I'm going to click student login. And what you're going to do is you need these three pieces of information. They're really easy, okay? They're posted on the Canvas page, but they're simply my username. So it's just Haley King all together, okay? And then the next one, you're going to type your first and last name, okay? If you have two last names, if they're hyphenated, put the hyphen in between. If they're not hyphenated, don't hyphenate them, just put a space. You put a space between your names. So I made a account for my husband. So David King, but if you notice, it'll pop up, once you start typing, it should pop up anybody, okay? So if I log in as David, the password for all of you is Goshen, lowercase, just regular Goshen. You're gonna hit sign in. We're gonna say, nope, we don't wanna do that. And then you're good to go. So you're gonna do these problems. So you're gonna type them in. I would type them in using my keyboard. If you get them right, they show up in green. If you get them wrong, they show up in red. If you work a little more slowly on them, it turns yellow, which is okay. What you're looking for here, you're going to get you're going to get 50 correct, okay? And so what you need is this is trying to see how many you know memorized, okay, which would be the green facts, okay? So when you're done, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. When you're done, you'll see a screen that looks like this, okay? It'll say, your name, you know, blank multiplication facts and have a lifetime of blank correct, okay? So this tells you how many you know. If you look on this chart here, these are how many green boxes there are, okay? Now, you'll also notice down here it says how many of them were memorized, okay? That's how many out of the ones you did were green versus yellow versus red were wrong, okay? So your goal here, basically over the next month, is we're going to build this number up. We want to change that all the way up to the 144 facts that are listed there. So, well, right now there's 121 listed there. But what we want to do is be able to take you through the 10 times tables. Then we're going to add the 12s. Then we'll work on dividing and so on. But this is what you'll use to log in. Okay, so you'll use this website as a way to do this practice. Your assignment today then is to do this twice. Okay, so you log in, you'll do it, and then you can say you want to redo it again. You'll hit the little time symbol, do it again. After you've done it twice, you're going to go to Canvas and submit this number on the assignment for today. There's a little quiz set up that says, I know blank multiplication facts. And that number is what you're going to put in right there. So David would write 34. Okay? So hope this helps. We can talk about it on Wednesday if you have questions. Also, if you are stuck, please make sure you email me and we can get that figured out. So take care, and I look forward to seeing all of you on Wednesday.